Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here to the channel, hi, my name's Natalie and I am a one meal a day eater. So today I'm basically just gonna show you guys, it's leftovers from what we already prepared yesterday. Hubby did such a great job. I marinated these chicken legs over the weekend on Saturday actually. And I marinated them in the easiest marinade you could get. It was basically just some jerk chicken seasoning, like the paste that you would purchase at the regular grocery store. And then a little bit of the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. That's it. Besides a little bit of, what oil is that again? Avocado. Besides a little bit of avocado oil, that's it. And my husband just roasted it off in the oven and they turned out so good. I had this yesterday. This is pretty much the same meal. We also did some mashed potatoes, but there was still a little bit of chicken flavored rice that I had made this past week. So I figured I'd go ahead and just kind of get that taken care of, basically just kind of eat that up. And we also have mashed potatoes, you know, for the week. And then we also did, I kind of prepped some veggies. This is just roasted off veggies. This is basically just zucchini. It was, I almost said cucumber. Zucchini, it was green pepper, bell pepper. I did some onions, some tomatoes, and also some mushrooms. And that just kind of, we just kind of threw a couple little, you know, garlic salt, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and a couple other little seasonings on there. And yeah, just roasted that off in the oven. So yes, that is what I have there over top of my rice. And they are so, so good. So I got my little legs there, a little rice, and of course those veggies. So that is my main plate for today. And then on the side, I have the dessert plate. So we've really been loving the Cara oranges. And since they've been on sale lately, that's what we've been picking up. So 2 Cara oranges. And then our favorite grapes as of right now that really do have us in a chokehold are the Autumn Crisp grapes that you can find at your local Aldi's. Ooh. Now they are pretty expensive. Ooh. Hubby's like, good grief. They are pretty expensive. They're like $6 a package. But they are so, so good. They are so meaty. They're juicy. They have this really nice crisp and crunch to them. It's awesome. And I believe that they are seedless as well. So we've really been enjoying these. And this has been like our little desserts that we've been absolutely loving. So that's our little dessert plate for later. I went ahead and made my coffee my way. You guys already know it is always Starbucks dark roast. I did a scoop of collagen peptides, which I do need to reorder because I noticed I am getting low. And then I did a little bit of sugar-free French vanilla creamer. I did not add any Atkins or anything, any additional protein to this besides what's in the collagen peptides. And then for my water cup this week, we have lavender. Yes, my favorite Simple Modern tumbler, one of my favorite Simple Modern tumblers. This is the 40-ounce little track tumbler, and it's in the shade lavender. Absolutely love her, and I love the light color, and it pops against my nails, which is really cute too. So guys, that is it. I am super hungry and ready to chow down. This week is a little bit of a busier week. So this week, usually we get our nephew Nugget. So more than likely, we'll probably have him on Friday. My sister is coming into town on Wednesday. She's going to be staying with my dad, which I know he's going to be so happy to see her because he has been asking for her left, right, and sideways. So we'll be going down on Saturday to visit and spend the entire day with the both of them. And then she'll be coming back up with us to kind of spend a few days with us here at our home. And then she'll eventually go back down to spend another week with him before she heads on out, you know, to go back home. But yes, that is what we have going on for the week. I have an appointment on Thursday. The weather is starting to get a little warmer this week, which is nice. We've got a nice little break because the wind last week and all of the crazy, you know, like cold weather had almost took me out. It has been terrible. But this week, numbers are looking good. Right now, it's about 65 degrees outside, which is great. I went for a mini walk at lunch, which is awesome. I guess first one of the spring season. Tomorrow, they're stating that the weather may get up into the 70s. So I will definitely be taking a walk tomorrow at lunch as well. But yeah, hopefully this week sometime I can get out for a decent walk and get to the lake, you know, one of my favorite places, and really get that good exercise in. If not, you know, yeah, that's something I'm hoping I can get done. So we'll see. But again, a very busy week, so I'm so glad that we already prepped the food. This makes it so much easier. I can just come home, make me a coffee, heat up a plate of food, and break my fast. Right now it is 3:58 p.m., so almost 2 minutes to 4. It is Monday the 10th of March, if I didn't tell you guys that already. And thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, it is Wednesday, hump day, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Hump day. I'm back home from work. We got home like around 3:45. I literally ran in here, got myself together. Ooh, my hair looks crazy. You know, threw a little jacket on, whatever the case is, and I said, I'm determined. I'm gonna use this time wisely, and I'm gonna get out there and I'm gonna go walking. So that's exactly what I did. I went and did a lake walk, which is great. It was a little bit, what was it, an hour and 8 minutes. I did a little over 3.5 miles. So that was really, really good. I'm very proud of myself. Pat on the back. Alrighty, but today is the 12th. And yeah, it's time to eat. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing this meal, but this is what it is. So I have some mashed potatoes. I put a little pat of butter on there. 2 chicken legs. I think we have 2 chicken legs left. That's it. And then some of those veggies that my husband roasted off this week. This meal has been so good. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. And that's why I keep eating it. I have a little probiotics, little beverage that I'm going to take before I eat. But I definitely need to heat this up because that butter needs to melt. I refilled my water and I did make a coffee, which I'm about to sip on really quickly. But yeah, about to heat this up. And this is the last day. I promise you guys, last day for this. I'm tired of it now. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days of eating the same thing. Yeah, that's it. I've had enough. But yep, I'm going to go ahead and heat that up right now. It is 5:32, still 61 degrees. You see that? I cannot wait. So happy for a little bit of that relief. But I'm about to go ahead and heat this up, drink my little probiotic drink, and yeah, and eat this up. This is it. This is it for the week. So hopefully we'll figure out something else to eat. Oh, the baby shower is tomorrow. Okay, so we have a baby shower at work. It is tomorrow for one of our colleagues, and so it's basically like a potluck, or everyone bring a dish. And I saw on there's going to be cake, and there's going to be chicken, and a bunch of different stuff. So I'll definitely have something to eat tomorrow. But yeah, this is the last day for this struggle meal. So I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, All right, it is Thursday the 13th, Friday's Eve. You guys know how we like to get down. It is 5:19 in the afternoon. I just came back from a appointment, and this is the baby shower food I did not get to eat. So I just went ahead and packed it up to bring it home. There was Popeye's chicken. You guys know I love that. I made my favorite, which is the, one of our favorites, so the buffalo chicken dip. So I brought back a little bit. They pretty much ate it all. They really liked it, so I was really happy to hear that. No baby shower is ever complete without the baby shower meatballs. I put some of those in a cup. My coworker made some coleslaw. She's made this before. It was really, really good. Doritos to go with the dip. And then nobody wanted the fruit platter, so I brought it on home. I'm very happy about that. So I'll definitely be having some fruit for dessert. Yes, so that is my little meal. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. We're just getting in. I just washed my hands and made a coffee. Yes, so coffee is done, so I just need to make it up the way I want it. But yes, I'm going to heat this up because I'm hungry, and it is after 5 o'clock. So I will go ahead and eat this and chow down, but I will see you all here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye.
Yes. Yes, I will in a little bit because Auntie has to cook. I hear a loud truck.
Hey guys, alrighty. So it is family dinner time on Saturday. We came down to spend the day with my dad and my sister. We went out to this really good American restaurant. We had, delicious spinach dip. We had Tex-Mex egg rolls. They had little rolls for the table. I ended up getting a bacon cheeseburger with French fries and a side salad. It was so good. But yep, that was it. And here we are, Dad and his 2 daughters. Sunday, my sister actually came up with us to stay for a few days, which was really nice. We took her out to our favorite Mexican restaurant, which is Mezcal, because she really likes Mexican food. It was so good. We ended up getting some birria egg rolls, and then we got guacamole made at the table. It was so delicious. For my dinner, I ended up getting flautas. So there was four flautas altogether, 2 chicken, 2 beef. I only ended up eating 2. It was so good. But yeah, hubby had some fajitas. It was delicious. But I will see you all next week. Same time, same place.